wondered how much it would pay for 1,000 views? I'm going to break it down for you with proof. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You might be wondering how come, and that's because this is my second channel. I'm going to be using my first channel as a case study. Before I go right into it, I'm going to tell you two major things that determine how much it will pay you, and that is your CPM and your RPM. CPM is cost per mile, and that's how much advertisers are willing to pay to run ads on your video. So the RPM, revenue per mile, and that is how much YouTube is going to give you, from the CPM. So that is the amount you are going to be making times, your views. I hope you've gotten that. And there are other criteria, but these are the major things. I'm going to put in the screen recording. There's a tab in front of me, so I might be looking down, but you're going to be seeing what I'm seeing by this side. First thing first, I'm going to be using this video, YouTube monetization process explained in detail, and we're going to be going to the analytics. The first thing is the video has 1,097 views. That's 1K views. It was able to garner, the watch time was 58.5. The subscriber count is 22. So this video was able to bring 22 subscribers to my channel. So the next thing we go to is the reach. For the reach, it has impression of 32k impression. That means 32k people saw it. They did not click on it, but it passed through their timeline and all of that. So how viewers find this video? They found it through channel page, browse features, other YouTube features, direct and unknown. So the next thing is external sites, YouTube search, content suggesting this video. You see that let me click on it. You see that the first 4 videos that is showing on your screen right now are my videos. That's how much YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber. Question and answer, simple way to remove background, exposing my July earnings, and like that. And I can also see my video. Why I'm saying my video is because there's something you are supposed to be doing for you to get more views, and this is going to be in another video. If you are interested, just let me know in the comments. So it is very important to follow me, subscribe, to understand how to grow on YouTube and things to do, because I'm using a personal experience to show you what you can do and also grow on YouTube. So the last thing on this is playlist featuring the video, and that is my 2 playlists. The next thing is engagement. I've talked about the watch time. The average view duration is 3.12. People watch till 3 minutes before they clicked out. And there are other things. The audience, top geographical location for this video is just one country, and that is Nigeria. Now to the main reason why we are here. And we are going to start with how much advertiser pay, and that's the CPM I told you about in the beginning. That's $2.7. So now the RPM, what YouTube is deciding to give me, is $2.62. That's a lot, because normally you would see 1 point something or even 0.80 something cents that YouTube is going to give you. But for YouTube to give me 2.62, that means this video is really beneficial, and they see that, oh, you really deserve it, or some other things. Because this is really high, and all in all, because of it is just 1K views, I was able to get $2.88 for 1K views. This is to tell you that there are some other niches that might generate more CPM than this, thereby can you make more money. That's your RPM, when the RPM is being divided. And that's because there are some niche that has high CPM, which you'd want to look into. If you're into talking about money or business, you can see between $20 to $50 for your CPM. Imagine when your RPM gets to you, it will be nothing less than $10. So just imagine you even got 1K views for that video. You've made $10 already. That's a lot. The next one is tech and gadgets, $10 to $20. Entertainment and vlog, it's quite low, and that is $2 to $8. Gaming, also low, $1 to $5. So depending on your niche, There are some niche that make very high CPM, and there are some niche that make very low CPM. So you need to just make sure that you know what you are doing before you get into it. So you don't feel demotivated when you get monetized and the money is not coming in as fast as you wish and hope it will come in. I'm going to be all because I don't want to bore you guys. Thank you for watching. If you get to this point, please do well to like, share, subscribe. This is a new channel. I'm willing to grow. So do well to support your girl. See you guys in my next video. Bye.